Hello there and welcome to another easy tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more, and if you need a tutorial on something, leave it in the comments. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to transfer files from your Android phone to your PC and the other way around. Start by putting your USB charger cable into your PC with your phone unlocked. Next, click on Allow on your phone to allow your PC to connect with it. If done so, a message should pop up to open up the files of your phone. If it does not pop up automatically, you can open up File Explorer, and if connected correctly, it should be under this PC. Now click on Internal Storage. These maps are all of the pictures, videos, and files on my phone. Finally, just copy, paste everything you would like to transfer to your PC, or just drag them to whichever map you want them in. The difference with an iPhone is that you can also drag files from your PC into the internal storage of your Android phone. This is also possible with iPhone, but in a more difficult way. But that's something for another tutorial. Thanks for watching, and let me know which easy tutorial you want next.